Hey everyone! Previously we talked about how to structure business problems. Today I want to show you how this task can be facilitated with ChatGPT or Deepseek. Let's take an example. Consider one of my students' problems. How can we improve the efficiency of a given firm's employees? Here's a 3-step plan. Step 1. Describe the problem in detail using the problem statement worksheet we discussed previously. This is how it would look like for this problem. Step 2. Feed this problem statement along with a detailed task description to ChatGPT or Deepseek. Free versions are fine, no need for fancy models. The text of the task is in the description below. And step 3. Polish the results based on your experience and voila! Profit! This is the problem structure Deepseek came up with. And this is the structure I came up with on my own. I'd say the AI version is quite good. Firstly, it was generated really quickly, whereas I spent 20 minutes working on my version. Secondly, it captures various details from the problem statement. Language models work pretty well with well-defined problems. The better you define problem statement, the better structure you get as a result. What I like about my structure, though, is that it creates a more cohesive story. My branches don't look as random as in the AI version, and they resemble MISI. On top of that, I was able to consider a broader context beyond the explicit problem statement, which is useful when the problem statement is weak. But most importantly, I have greater ownership of my version than of the AI version. I created the structure myself, and I'm ready to use it to solve the business problem. I am responsible for the solution, not Deepseek or ChatGPT, so I need to own it. And the best way to own it is to author it. An even better approach, though, is to combine human experience and expertise with ideas and insights from AI. How would you do that? Share your thoughts and experience and let's discuss. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask questions in the comments and talk to you soon. Cheers!